Welcome, Thinksters, to a new episode where we are going to take a look at another puzzle from our latest book, Python Mastery Workouts. And this puzzle is a more advanced one now. So I already copied from the documentation the definition of the setDefault method from the dictionary class because it's the key to solve this puzzle correctly. So what do we do in this puzzle? In the first line, we create a new dictionary with 3 entries. The entries consist of an integer as key and a string as value 3 times. And then we use the setDefault method on our dictionary D. So what does this method do? The documentation explains it pretty simply and the method returns the value of the item with the specified key. So the key is 2 here. If the key does not exist, insert the key with the specified value. Okay, so here we have key 2, and this key does exist in our dictionary D. So the method returns the value. And that's indeed what happens. I will just run the code now. So we get back Mary because for key 2, the string was Mary. And since we used key 2 in the setDefault method again, we got back the value which was already in the dictionary. Now let's take a look at the second part of the definition here. If the key does not exist, insert the key with the specified value. So let's use a key which does not yet exist in the dictionary, like 3. So now we expect the method setDefault to insert a new entry, a new item in the dictionary, which consists of a key 3 and value John. So we initialize the value of key 3 with a default value. And now let's run the code, and you see we get back John. And it says the key was inserted in the dictionary. So let's check if that's really like that. So we print the dictionary, and you see we got an additional entry for key 3. We have John now. So the solution to the puzzle was output is Mary because we had key 2 and no new default value was set, just the existing value is returned. But if we use a key which does not yet exist, this new entry is inserted in the dictionary and we get back the value of the new entry. So really a more advanced puzzle because you have to understand how the setDefault method works. But we will see more difficult puzzles in the upcoming episodes. So stay tuned and see you soon.